And here's your tour of the inside. So they've got all of the hardwoods, and I think it's oak hardwoods. Got all of the hardwoods down in the living room, which is over here, and then into the kitchen. And then also, right there's where the oven, stove, and the hood is. Big windows out front. They got the hardwoods in the mud room, which is right here. The entrance to the house is right here, and there's a new entrance. And then back here in the laundry room will be tile. That's not tiled in, of course, yet, but there's the entrance, the new entrance into the kitchen. We got vaulted ceilings coming off the kitchen against that fireplace. And then they've torn off the top of our deck, which is going to be replaced with just decking, new decking. Got these big windows looking out back, side towards Ryan and Cappy's. And then I know it's hard to tell, but it is bigger than our original screened-in porch. Man, that's some good air coming in. But this is what's going to be the screened-in porch, and got tongue and groove in the ceiling. Screened-in porch is right there. We're going to probably put the TV over there and then sitting out here. Sitting or seating? I don't know what you say there. Seating, I guess. And then back this way, this is the weight room. We're not having a lot done on the weight room. We just added that open sliding door back there, the one that we recycled from the original. And then this hallway, and this will be where we'll have our coffee station, what they call a coffee bar, or a butler's pantry, butler's area. And then this is the pantry, which is walk-in pantry, where we'll have all of our dry goods. And I don't know, that's a whole big room for dry goods. We're going to have to eat a lot more. And then they've replaced some of these boards coming through here, and then this floor will be all refinished. But Lord have mercy, what a mess. But it's going to be fine. I was going to open the refrigerator door, but I can't move this double oven, so I can't get the thing open. But that's where we are.